Udio versus Suno AI music honest review. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now technology has met music, and today we're comparing two of the top AI music generators, Udio and Suno AI. So which platform rules for now and for creators, musicians, and teams? Which one should you be using? Starting off with Suno, created by Anthropic, Suno is going to instantly tune your words into music with full-length song abilities. Think pop, classical, electronic, you name it, Suno has it. Now, Udio is slightly different, where it focuses on collaboration and pro-grade audio. You can guide every step and shape your song or work with others for bigger projects. So this is your homepage on Udio, and I'm going to show you guys the interface of both of these platforms like so. Then this is the basic interface of Udio. You have a create section where you can describe your song and then choose a style that you want to use. You can even upload your own music, and you can use other people's styles as well. You can auto-generate lyrics or add your own custom lyrics as well, or make an instrumental song as well. Below that, you have your library of things that you have created. So these are just some audio files we have created. We have Radiant Grace and then Moments of Radiance like so. And then below that, we have styles that we want to use. So you guys can see you can explore some pre-built styles that can help you in finding your own sound. And then you have a following section. Now, when it comes to Suno AI, this is your dashboard. This is your homepage where you can listen to what other people are creating. Then on the left, you have your create section again, which is a very simple to use create section where you can get started with either a custom or a simple song. With the simple creation, you're able to just describe the type of song you want, and you can choose to add your own lyrics, but that is within the custom. And then you can describe the song that you want, choose if you want it to be instrumental, and then choose your inspiration. But if you want to go into more detail, you can go into custom and add your own audio, persona, and your own lyrics as well. You can even generate lyrics line by line or create your own full song based upon the basic prompt or lyric that you're providing. You can also choose your styles as well as go into advanced options to choose any type of style, such as style influence and weirdness. So you can exclude something if you do not like it. Let's say you do not want your piano music to have any elements of jazz music. So you can exclude styles like so. Then below that, you can enter your song title and then select the workspace. So on the right, we can see some of the things we've created, and we can see on the left, we also have a library section where you can see all the music that you have created. Like so, I have created quite a few different recordings. And one other thing you can do with Suno AI is that you can use your own voice as a reference. You're not actually going to be using your voice, but what it's going to do is that it's going to template off of your voice. So your highs and lows, those can be copied within Suno AI. Now that we have taken a look at both of these platforms, how exactly is the sound quality? Suno's sound is creative and energetic, sometimes quirky and sometimes brilliant. I personally find the diverse voices within Suno to be really, really nice, and I do find it to be something that gives me the option to build something more creative. Now, when it comes to Udio, Udio is honestly pretty great as well, but it's primarily better for tracks that are high quality. It shines in rich, high fidelity output. So oftentimes when you're creating using this platform, it almost is going to sound like it's ready to be launched. So this is just one song we've created, and then this is another one. And this instrumental is really neat. It's really high quality. You would not be able to tell that this is an AI generated instrumental. So both of them are pretty amazing when it comes to sound quality. But what about customization and user experience? Well, Udio can allow you to fine-tune every aspect. Start, stop, remix, arrange, and the interface is modern with DAW-like controls. For example, I have this creation. So if I want, I can click on Start Session, extend, remix, or copy my prompt that I've originally used to build this song. I can even click on Edit and then click on Regenerate a section of this song. So if I want to edit any one section of the song, I can do that as well. I can trim this. I can use in Paint to fine-tune my song by editing specific sections of the music or lyric, and even click on Edit Lyrics as well. So this is going to be a highly customized song which can truly be altered to your personal liking. You can always extend or session and, reset and redo and remix your songs. Now, what about Suno AI? Because Udio is so customizable, is Suno Well, Suno, you can describe your vibe and build a song for you. It's amazing for non-producers or quick demos and has strong natural language and interpretation. So when it comes to customization, it's slightly less editable or less customized when it comes to using Suno AI. I have this song I've created, but if I want, I can click on over here and I can remaster the song or make another persona sing the song. I can open this in my editor, cover it, extend it, and use different styles and lyrics as well. So the editing options are pretty much there. Slightly, I would say it's like a 5% decrease than in comparison to Udio, but customization is still an option that is going to be available to you. Now, when it comes to collaboration, Suno is best for solo creators that are less focused on team-based music making, whereas Udio is primarily for team creation with real-time sessions, brainstorming, and versioning available. So if you have a team and if you have multiple people that are going to be working together, then Suno is not going to be in the race for you. Udio is the direct option for you. When it comes to genres, I would say that Udio does pretty great hip hop. Even if you go into their homepage and view, what other people are creating, they are doing a really great job when it comes to hip hop type of sounds. So if I scroll down over here and take a look at their spotlight, so this is their spotlight, and if I listen to some of the songs that are being created, we have soul, we have a bunch of different songs, but alternative trap. This is again within some of their top picks right now. So you guys can see that the sounds of these are pretty different. I'll show you guys some of the top featured music on both of these platforms. So this is on the spotlight on Udio, and this is Happy Feels Like Indie, Psychedelia, Female Vocalist, Electronic, Chill Out, Atmospheric Music. And that's just... This is another example of some K-pop sounds that have been created using Udio as well. Now, these were some of the popular sounds on Udio. Let's take a look at some of the popular sounds on Suno AI so you guys can see the sounds over there as well. So first off, we're just going to go into continue listening trending playlists. I want to actually go with the Suno showcase for this, or new age, K-pop. So we're just going to go on ahead, go into the For You section. So you guys have heard, both of the sounds, and you guys can now get a basic feel of what both of these sounds are going to feel like, both of these platforms. So I would recommend Suno for songwriting with just text and quick demo creation with background scores, because it's really diverse and it's great for filmmakers, solo artists, YouTubers, whereas Udio is more so for remixing, professional composing, and live collaboration. Now, let's take a look at pricing. Both of them have a free version. It has a 10 credit limit on Udio, and the free plan on Suno has a 50 credit limit, which is going to renew daily. So when it comes to just experimentation, Suno has the better credit option. However, when it comes to just having a free plan, I don't think you can actually create professional music on the free plan. You would have to upgrade, obviously, for commercial licensing as well. So I would say that for longer tracks, their plans start at $8.24, and that is on yearly billing. Otherwise, it's $10 and $30, whereas Udio, again, is very competitive with $10 and $30. And I do think that both of these are pretty decent depending on whatever use case you have. The pricing is really going to be pretty much the same. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to make the best choice for you and your music needs. And comment down below which one of these platforms you are going to be using. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this comparison.